Hello and welcome. Happy afternoon. Right, we're very annoyed at the moment, aren't we?
Yeah.
Well, I am.
Yeah.
This is his first ever mail time. And we've just filmed it all, haven't we?
Yeah.
And I didn't have sound on. Oh. So we've unopened everything. And I was just about to edit it and realised I didn't have sound on the camera. I'm absolutely gutted. So we're going to do like a makeshift mail time.
Yeah.
I'll start with some products I got from companies today. If you remember, we did the shampoo review. Well, the shampoo company saw the video.
They thought it was hilarious.
They were laughing and they says, we want to send you some things. So they sent us another of the shampoos.
Yeah.
They sent us this beauty body wash.
Yeah.
Waterless, is it?
That's going to be interesting.
Waterless washing. This is the future, I'm telling you. We don't need water in this world anymore. We need things like this. That's brilliant. And some dog shampoo, which Maz's sister is going to try out. Sorry, Mum, I think I said I was going to try it out on Ruby. But Maz's sister was there when we opened it, and she's got two dogs.
My niece and yeah, going to review it.
They're going to review it and try and film it for us, and we'll try and show you that when it's done. And also, we've got a television to review. We've been sent this by August, and it can run on batteries, so very excited about that.
Yeah.
I'll do a separate review on that. Just put that down there, please. And now the things which we've already opened.
Yeah,
Gutted.
these are the upsetting bits.
It's annoying. So the first item, this comes from Brian and Jill, Michael and Chloe Beagle. I'm presuming Chloe is a beagle.
Hi
Well, that's a
Brian,
nickname.
Jill, Michael and Chloe.
Don't know. Love following your adventures. You remind me of me and Jill. We're just starting out with our 2014 Auto Trail motorhome. I'd love to be able to go full time. We will once we can retire. Please do keep up with your firsts on motorhome and reviews of weird products you come across and use. We certainly will. I hope I am one of your first P.O. boxers. You are our very first.
And thank you very much.
First P.O. boxers. I have sent you a vital piece of motorhome equipment, a dimensions plate I made for you. Sorry about the colour, Mazzy. It'll go well with Dan's girly colour scheme.
It's perfect.
It's pink.
Thank you, Jill.
It's pink. No, Brian made it, I think.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
Oh.
I think.
Well, thank you. Do appreciate it.
I hope it's useful for you in case you come across a low bridge or narrow road that you're not sure if you'll fit under it. Definitely recommend you keep it on sun visor or dash area so it is at hand. Now, I've already fitted it.
Yeah.
It is on the sun visor. It's absolutely fantastic. I'll just quickly show you it. There you go, on the sun visor there. Now, the funny thing about this is, I've been talking about this. I've actually had a conversation with another viewer who suggested we should write the dimensions down and put it on the cab. And I was planning on doing that anyway, because I've read that somewhere. So I was planning on writing it on a piece of paper and sticking it on there. So that is fantastic. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
A second thing.
Yeah, a second. This is upsetting because we'd already got all excited the first time.
We've read the letters, we've opened them. It's annoying. It's really annoying.
It's upsetting.
Because you can't tell how excited we are now. We were really excited.
Yeah.
I'm not going to read all this out, but it's from a lovely guy called Quentin.
Yeah.
His name is, well, I don't need to give his last name. Quentin also goes by the name Deep Digger Quentin 1 on Instagram. Go follow him on Instagram. And he's basically saying, here is a gift from me to you. These are Norwegian trolls. Would you like to show them the trolls?
Yeah, these are lovely. These are
Fantastic.
so lovely, Quentin. It's perfect.
It's me and Mazzy.
In 40 years. Yeah.
Well, you now, me in 40 years.
You're going to grow your hair. Is your hair actually going to get that? No.
No.
Yeah, they're lovely. Thank you, Quentin. Sorry.
We absolutely love them.
Yeah.
It says, these are Norwegian trolls, which would be pretty cool for your camper van.
Certainly.
I think Norway is well known for trolls. I think I've got that right, because I used to sell some special limited edition garden trolls. And I think they were from Norway. So correct me if I'm wrong on that, Quentin, but I think Norway is known for trolls.
I'd love to go to Norway, by the way.
Very expensive. Very expensive. Yeah, it goes on to say that he's been following me, loves my metal detecting videos on my other channel, the Deep Digger Dan channel.
Good job on your find as well.
Yeah, he found some dagger scabbard or something. German World War II.
Done.
Cool. I wish you a great journey. Can't wait for more videos. I hope you liked the gift. Friendly regards, Quentin.
Oh, that's ever so kind. Thank you, Quentin.
Thank you.
Lovely.
I have seen you before commenting on videos, Quentin. I remember your name, Deep Digger Quentin. I've seen it before. So yeah, that is his mail time. I'm just so sorry we didn't do it properly.
And I've already found a home for this. I'm going to put it back.
Yeah, we've got a home for it over here. It fits perfectly there.
Perfect.
So, we're actually going to Scotland tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yeah.
The first day of his trip.
Yay!
Proper. We're so excited. This is what we've been waiting for a year, and it's happening tomorrow. So today is all about doing all the washing of the bedding and things. What else have you got to do?
Just
carpets, clean the carpets.
Everything.
What else have you got to do?
Well, it's just all
Make
last
me
minute.
something to eat.
Yeah, got to make, because I'm off out tonight, so.
Bingo. Bingo. So I'm stuck on my Todd tonight. We've got to fill up with water, get all the electric fully topped up, and we're ready to go. We've got a new battery now.
Yeah,
Got
a new second battery.
Second battery, so that's cool. So thank you so much for these presents.
Thank you.
If anybody else would like to send us things for mail time, because we love opening presents.
I love it.
This is the address.
This is lovely.
Now, it's a bit ripped at the bottom there, so I'll put it in the description.
Yeah.
But it's IP339LS is the postcode.
Can
Yeah.
I show them on the back of this? This is so sweet.
Oh, yeah.
I did originally show on the first time we did this, but it's like a little troll.
Yeah. Troll on the
It's so
top.
cute.
We won't be able to receive any more packages now for a few weeks because
Collect
we're going
them. We
collect
won't be able
them
to collect them.
because we're in Scotland. But as soon as we come back, we'll hopefully have some more to open for you. So that is mail time number 1. Complete mess. I nearly said cock up. Can I say cock up? Can't say cock up. Complete mess. I can say that. I'm leaving that in. But yeah, we'll get it right next time. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll see you all very soon.
And thanks for your lovely letters. Bye.
Bye bye.